Solar and battery storage is a tax-free investment. When considering the different options for investing your money, it's very important to look at the returns after tax. Whether you're looking at the stock market or buy-to-let properties, both will be taxed. How much they'll be taxed depends on your personal income and how many other investments you have. But it's quite likely that you could have to give 25% of your investment returns to the taxman, which is obviously a huge factor when comparing solar returns with other uses for your money. With a solar installation, rather than generating money, which is what you do with a traditional investment, you're instead generating electricity. And because you're using that electricity yourself, it's not taxed. And even when you sell your excess electricity to the grid using the Smart Export Guarantee Scheme, this is considered to be a personal domestic activity, not a commercial business. And so the government treats the income as tax-free. And there's no need to report this income to HMRC in your tax return, if you do one. As well as not having to pay capital gains tax, you also don't have to pay VAT. Solar and battery storage systems are VAT exempt until March 2027. Something that people often forget is that solar adds value to your property. When our director sold his house in Purley back in 2010, which had a solar system installed by Spirit Energy, he was able to show the buyer how much they could expect to save from the solar system over the next 25 years. The buyer was happy for him to add the net present value of the profits from the system onto the value of the house, understanding that they'd recoup that cost by not having to spend the money on electricity bills. If you're within 2 hours of Reading, please do get in touch with Spirit Energy, and we will give you a free quotation to show you how much you could be saving from your roof. Every month that you don't have solar, you're most likely missing out on over £150 of tax-free profits.